Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Twitter GoPro X CHK on the daily weekly time frame. So Twitter bulls saw a nice start to the day. This is the follow through the bulls were looking for, but it did not last. We did not close strong, and we have not closed strong since back at the top of this move, October 27th. We've seen closes near the lows or upper wicks of profit taking. So we have to hold 1926 at this point. We have to see a higher low compared to that level and then a higher high breaking over 2018 to turn this momentum around. So 1926, we have two supports, 1951, 1926, and resistance is 2018. We'll see if the bulls are able to form that higher low. Really, I'd be watching this move on the hourly time frame right now, because what it's going to look like is our low, our bounce high, and now we're pulling back, and we can form that higher low and higher high. They just have to show up tomorrow. If we don't see the bulls show up tomorrow and we head back to the low $19 range, bears are back in full control. Weekly time frame is setting up for a potential bullish reversal candlestick. With 3 trading days left to go, we can be keeping an eye out for a doji or a spinning top. 1926 is our support, and we are looking for follow through for the bulls. Have to hold a higher low. GoPro, bears still in full control. Support is down at 879 and 881. We close near the low of the day. If we break 879, 867 is the next support that I'm keeping an eye on. Weekly time frame, lower highs and lower lows, potentially losing the 50-week moving average support. Right now, 903 is that level, and support is 867, the higher low established before the bulls took over that is now being completely erased. Close at the low shows us the bear momentum, has been bear momentum ever since the gap down, and nothing is changing that at this point. X on the daily time frame, bear break of 2691. We're now looking down at 2667, a double bottom, but the potential to fill the gap down to 2598 if we break that double low. So bears have momentum here as well, shifting to lower highs and lower lows since that reaction to earnings, and it's all about 2667 before we start to fill the gap back to the downside. Weekly time frame, we know that 50-week resistance is very important, and the weekly middle Bollinger Band, $25, is a must hold. So pretty much the range on the weekly, 25 to 28.21, and we're watching to see which breaks first. CHK on the daily time frame, huge breakout for the bulls. So the energy sector has been very strong. The natural gas bulls are seeing a strong oversold bounce, still in a downtrend on the daily, but bulls in oil are breaking out significantly. As soon as we broke 407, that was a clear bull break with our higher low and higher high. This is the most significant sign of a trend change that we've seen on CHK in quite some time. We know this middle Bollinger Band on the weekly is very key, and it has been all year, and we are looking to close over 420 this week to turn that into support. From there, we're looking up at 449 resistance, and if we break that level, the weekly trend change is underway. That will be very significant. Lower highs and lower lows, shifting to break those lower highs and turn that middle Bollinger Band into support. That's what we're keeping an eye out on, and right now the daily chart certainly favoring the bulls, but we will likely need to consolidate and form another higher low compared to 362 at some point in the near future. So not really liking the risk to reward in terms of any bullish entries from here, but the shift is on, and it's all about the weekly middle Bollinger Band. I appreciate you watching. We will see you tomorrow. Have a great night.